I'm here to tell you about Sound the Alarm, an event that we do in our communities all year round, where we go into communities that are at risk, at especially high risk for home fires. We go door to door, and all day long, Red Cross volunteers and our partner fire departments go and install smoke alarms. And then importantly, we give people education and information on how to stay safe in the event of a home fire. We do save lives with this program, and it's so inspiring to me to be protecting our communities and to help make people much safer against home fires.
Sound the alarm!
¡Activa la alarma!